Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I would like to show you the best activities you can do here in Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is located in northern Thailand, about 700 kilometers north of Bangkok. It lies in a mountainous region surrounded by lush hills and forests. First I visited the coconut market. The market itself is super beautiful with palm trees all over. It's only open on Sundays and they are selling some really cute clothes. The prices are rather expensive because it is a very touristic market. You can find a lot of stalls selling coconut sweets, but also other food stalls. I decided to drink some fresh coconut in this wonderful surrounding. One day I took part in a cooking class, and before cooking we visited the local morning market. The cook showed us some ingredients and explained, for example, the difference between Thai ginger and the ginger we use in Europe. After, we could walk around ourselves. And let me tell you, this market was huge and you could absolutely find everything. This here is only the vegetable area. Also a lot of seafood and fish. I saw some frogs as well. I think I could never eat a frog, but here it's quite popular to grill or fry these animals. We could choose which meals we would like to cook, in total 4 meals. We started with the soup. I chose chicken in coconut milk soup. We used lemongrass, Thai ginger, kaffir lime leaves, onions and oyster mushrooms. Cut everything and started boiling the coconut milk. Then we added all the ingredients and the chicken. Some lime juice and fish sauce, and the soup was ready to eat. I'm not a big soup lover, but this one was actually not bad at all. The next dish was a stir-fried chicken with cashew nuts. First I cut some garlic, onions and carrots. After, I prepared the sauce, which consisted of fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar and some water. With all the ingredients ready, it was time to heat up the pan. First I fried garlic, then added the chicken and stirred until cooked. After, I added the carrot and onions, and shortly thereafter spring onions and cashew nuts. Then only the sauce was missing and I stirred everything well. With that, the dish was finished and I absolutely loved it. Afterwards, we took a short break and the cook showed us around in the herb garden. The next meal was Khao Soi curry. First we had to make the curry paste out of onions, carrot, garlic, ginger, coriander roots, shrimp paste, and some spices like turmeric, cumin and cardamom. It took a while with the mortar and pestle. We then first put the curry paste in the pan together with the coconut milk. Then the chicken, sugar and some more coconut milk. It was already looking good, and after a few minutes of cooking, the curry was finished. I really loved the taste. For dessert we made of course the famous mango sticky rice. First of course we heated up coconut milk, added some sugar and green pandan leaf water, and the boys added blue butterfly pea water for the color. After we mixed it with sticky rice and served it on a plate with some mango, and of course it was delicious. One time I visited an ethical elephant sanctuary, and it was so cool to be so close to these fascinating animals. We had the chance to really get to know the elephants.
Watch her get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you.
When elephants enjoy their food, they move their heads like this, and it's just so funny to watch.
Go, I'll follow.
We could help to prepare some food for the elephants. After we could feed them with these balls and sugar cane. It was just so lovely. Later we accompanied the elephants to the river. Then it was time for a bath.
Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand new. Every second growing, time feels like it's slowing.
This was it with the elephant sanctuary. Just a short ride from Chiang Mai's old city lies one of the city's most creative hidden gems, Baan Kang Wat. Known as the Artist Village, this little community blends art, culture, food and nature into one peaceful escape. I really liked the designs of the shops, and there was just such a nice atmosphere. What makes Baan Kang Wat special is that it's not just about shopping, it's about creating. You can find so many shops where you can do DIYs. Whether it's making jewelry, painting paper match models, or do a workshop and create them yourself. You can also do a ceramic workshop or learn how to make these cute designs on the bags, and just so much more. I decided to make my own bracelet, and I wanted to put the word strength on it, because in difficult times it will remind me that I'm strong and that I can get through this. It's a chance not only to support local crafts, but also to take home a souvenir. Another must visit in Chiang Mai is Wat Doi Suthep. To reach the temple you have to go up the stairs first. Once inside, golden pagodas shine in the sunlight. The centerpiece is the stunning golden chedi. It was just such a nice atmosphere. After the temple, I visited the Khao night market to try some gyozas, and they were pretty good. After I watched some Muay Thai fights in a stadium. The first fight was a bit boring, I kind of expected more action. They were literally just hugging each other the whole time. Apparently the blue one was the better hugger. The second fight was a bit better. Next up, a women's fight, and I think there was a little more action. In the end, the red woman won. There was an international fight as well between a Thai boxer and an American boxer. The Thai boxer won in the end, and this was it with this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.